They've got spaghetti and fettuccine alfredo, but all they want is dog food. Three moms. Two of them have 4 babies, so that's 8, and one of them has 3 babies. So there's a total of 11 babies. Some are smaller than the others, but they're so stinky cute. And then my boy Rocco, he's an old man. He always gets fed first, so he came early like he always does, gets his share and his special dish. But when these babies show up, he is out of here. He is one, you know, it's funny. He's probably one that fathered them all. They're so cute.